In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel Netspend card. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure there are no pending transactions and take care of any recurring payments or direct deposits connected to your Netspend account. First, check your remaining balance and use or withdraw the available funds. If you don't want to withdraw the money, you may be able to request the remaining balance refund through Netspend, depending on the current terms and applicable fees. Next, make sure any recurring payments linked to your Netspend card have been cancelled or moved to another payment method. You should also redirect any direct deposit to another active account before closing your Netspend account. Once everything is cleared, contact Netspend through its official customer support options or sign into the Netspend Online account and request that your account be closed. Follow the instructions provided by Netspend to complete the closure process, and that's how you can easily cancel your Netspend card and close your account. Before closing the account, double check that you have handled your balance, pending transactions, recurring payments, and direct deposit. That's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.